Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. It has been a very whippy 12 hours for the Australian dollar after the market took a challenge to the top side and rejected around that high 72 and now plummeted, and on the back of that recent shooting stars confirmed the break and now looks at that 60-day moving average, which is seen around the 71.60 area. It is assessed, as the technicals are heavy, that we could see a further breakdown and look towards the region of 71 to about 70.5 and reassess from there. The euro plummets further after taking out 113 the figure and now looks back towards the region of 111 the figure as the US dollar surges to 96.60 to the index, with the risk of further downside slide and a dollar rallying. I expect to see limited upside for the euro. The dollar yen also looking back towards the bottom side of the range after a sharp reversal from 115, but however finding support roughly around 114.10 to about 114.50. Looking at sterling, the market is back towards that downside after the recent 2 days of bearishness, looks towards the support level of 134.60 and reassess. A little bit choppy for sterling Kiwi, however, a bit of profit taking coming back underneath the figure of around 2, but the market is still somewhat heavy, so I still feel the downside is towards 198 and see if the market does rebound from this region. Gold, on the back of the safe haven demand, rallies close to the highs at 1,950 and rejects. It's seen as a bit of a key point. However, since the break to that top side, we are extremely overbought, so I soon expect to see all these gains return and the market taking a challenge back towards the bottom side around 1,880. I'm not bullish up here, and I do expect to see this is just an overreaction on the back of Russia and Ukraine crisis. Let's see if the market does give back those gains. And wrapping up with oil, the market is back through 94 and now looks towards about 96 to about 98 as a potential target, but we are overbought and I think it's going to be short-lived because the MACD is also weak and therefore could easily see a tumble back heavily to $86. The markets are all pretty much up in the air at the moment due to the recent update of the Russian-Ukraine crisis. So the markets, some of them that are a little bit more sensitive to the situation, will probably display more or further volatility. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look after the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day.